Welcome back to another episode of Motor Guru. Today we are reviewing some insane clips. This video starts from when this guy saw a $20 bill, then look what did he do.
Yeah. It's right outside this car though. Yeah, their door's open though. I don't want to take it and then be like, yeah, and I got it on video, so I can post it.
Let's watch why this guy's poking stick into others' business.
No way! Oh no, little dude. Come on, little dude. I don't want to touch him because I'm... Come on, buddy. Come on. No. Please move. Come on. Please move. You're gonna get very hurt. Come on. No, I just don't want him to get hit. Come on. Come on. Pardon? You won't get me? Alright. Come on. Come on, buddy. Ow. Come on. There you go. Keep going. Alright. Thanks.
Do you ever see in a road rage situation with a dog? Let's watch. Let's try to know why these guys are that angry on that little rabbit.
What's... Oh, is that a rabbit? Oh! Oh! Dude, I almost hit that. He's still sitting there.
Okay.
Should I turn around?
Yeah, let's go get him.
Yeah, here.
You have to get back on.
No. I'm gonna park the bike right here on the sidewalk. No joke. Pull up there. Pull up there.
Oh God. Right here?
Yeah.
You gotta go get him.
He looks like he's not that scared because he's just sitting there.
You think the biker? Why don't we find here?
You'll be fine. Yeah, I think there's plenty of room.
I'm gonna go see.
Traffic.
We can see from here if he's still on the road because I saw him. Because, babe, he literally, Tim, you saw, he almost ran right in front of me.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Like maybe he's like injured.
Oh, I still see him.
Fine, let's do it.
Here, let's run. Yeah, I don't know if you guys want to jog with me, but.
Oh no!
Come back! Don't run him over!
I'm out.
Don't run him over!
Oh no!
He's hurt!
Wait for me!
Don't hit the bunny!
Yeah, hurt?
I think so. Don't run him over, bro!
Okay.
go. No, don't go in there. Don't go in there. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't go in there. Don't go, no, 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 no.
This guy's coming to get him.
It's okay.
Oh, he's gonna catch him. Oh my God.
You got him. There we go.
Oh no.
He looks like he got hit, huh?
What's our safety?
Get him on the other side of the gate.
Oh no.
There we go. Go on, buddy. Oh, he got hit by a car.
Oh.
Thanks, man. we saw him, we came ripping down here and I almost hit him and he's literally just sitting in the road. Yeah.
Poor guy.
Thanks, guys. I was gonna try to grab him, but I don't know. I'm like, is he sick? Like, I don't know.
He got hit.
Yeah.
But he might make it.
Yeah, hopefully.
Got a good chance.
Yeah. Thanks for the help, guys.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked that video. Comment down below, guys. Do you ever kind of face a situation like that? And don't forget to subscribe. Your subscribe and support is all the thing that I have. Now, see you to the next video. Until that, hasta la vista.